kunwari hindi mo alam na nagbe-breadcrumb ka. Pero yun yung sinabi ko sa'yo, alam mo, love, may tendency ka to lead someone on.
As with any relationship, it requires reciprocity.
Ako! I've been ghosted so many times.
Eh, nang-ghost ka rin eh. Karma.
Hi, Talk Sheeters!
Hi, Talk Sheeters!
Welcome to another episode of Talk Sheets with Ice.
And Liza, where we strip down and bear it all under the covers. Where we talk about love, identity, and all the shit that matters. Alam mo yung breadcrumbing?
Hindi.
Hindi ko rin alam. Pero sabi nila, it's when someone
Sabi
leads.
nila, tama ang panahon, darating din yun.
Ay, ginawa mo to sa akin.
Wow!
When a person...
Ginagawa mo rin yan sa ibang tao.
Wala akong paki sa ibang tao. Tayo yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. When a person gives you affection and attention but never intends... Oh my God! This is so you! Oh my gosh! So you're a breadcrumber.
I have a lot of breadcrumbs.
Ikaw to.
Ikaw rin yan.
No.
Okay, ikaw to pero dinideny mo at hindi mo kunwari hindi mo
Sa'yo?
alam.
Sa'yo?
Yeah.
Kailan?
Ikaw, you give a lot of mixed signals to people.
No. Pakibaba
Oh,
Ulitin.
parang when they give you...
Ulitin natin. When a person gives you attention and affection but never intends to commit. Oh, 'di ba? Sino yung mga nagte-text ng, "Ay, Mary Liza Dino, sumusumpang mahal kita." Oh, tapos biglang malaman ko, putya, may ibang kinikita.
Naniwala ka naman.
Siyempre, akala ko, pagkakatiwalaan ka eh.
Bakit nung time na yon at nung araw na yon nararamdaman ko yun para sa'yo?
Kaya nga, ang sinasabi ko, ba't defensive ka? Sinasabi ko lang naman na sinabi mo yung mga yon, binibigyan mo ako ng attention, binibigyan mo ako ng affection, pero wala kang balak mag-commit.
Meron. Sa future. Okay, sa utak ko, alam kong wala na kami nung kung sino man yun.
Anyway, but they're just giving you enough attention to keep you hooked, but never the full commitment. Oh, I think I know someone like that talaga. Parang small crumbs lang, pero ikaw nagmamadaling mag-collect. Oh my God, you made me collect so many things.
Okay, pinag-usapan lang natin kagabi na meron kang ginanon na
Wala nga kung bakit.
na you're leading someone on.
Wait, katalk sheets ba natin sila? Ikaw ang katalk sheet ko. Sila bang host dito? Hindi silang host dito, ikaw. Ba't natin pinapasok yung ibang tao?
Hindi lang naman porket sa akin or ikaw yung ginawa nun eh. It's breadcrumbing not just for...
Yeah, but I'm talking
not
about
just-
my experience with you. Bilang co-host ko, no? Sa talk sheets na with Ice and Liza. Hindi naman Ice and Chururut. Hindi eh, Ice and Liza.
Pero kasi ginawa mo yung breadcrumbing na to with Ice and Chururuts. Ang dami.
Kung mas marami ako, mas marami ka. Ikaw ang mahilig. Noon pa lang, mahilig ka na mag-lead.
Nakakatawa. Para sa dalawang taong hindi alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng breadcrumbing.
So, ikaw, yun. Basahin mo yung dapat mo sabihin.
Well, a lot of people don't even realize, ayan, katulad natin, that they're being breadcrumbed until they feel exhausted from chasing someone else's attention.
Yeah, that's so true. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo noon, iwanan kita. So, for today's episode, we're talking all about how to spot it, how to deal with it, and how to know if you're the one doing the breadcrumbing.
Grabe siya magpakasat. Hoy! Breadcrumber ka sa ibang tao, mahilig ka paasa ka.
Sandali
Oh.
Okay. If I give someone attention, that doesn't necessarily mean that I like them. I give them attention because I see them as a friend. Ikaw, yung sa'yo, talagang may mga pasumpa-sumpa ka pa dyan. May mga pa-I love you ka pa. May mga pa-effort. Anong effort ko na ginagawa sa mga yun?
Hindi mo kailangan sabihin, I love you eh.
But yun nga, I'm just saying, huwag mo ba't mo kasi sila pinapasok sa usapang to? Ikaw nga, ang topic
Bakit
ko.
ayaw mo pag-usapan yung pinag-usapan natin kagabi about
Kasi,
that person?
dinideflect mo yung sa'yo. Kaya mo binabaling sa iba, kilala kita, Liza Dino.
Ba't ikaw?
Hindi ka gana sa, I know you too well.
Uy, defensive ka.
Hindi, mas defensive ka. Dinedeflect mo. Tingnan mo.
Hindi ko naman dinideny eh. Pero ikaw, wag mo rin i-deny.
Ang sinasabi
Hindi mo lang
ko,
alam. Kunwari, hindi mo alam na nagbe-breadcrumb ka. Pero yun yung sinabi ko sa'yo, alam mo, love, may tendency ka to lead someone on. Hindi mo lang, kunwari, aware ka na you're leading someone on, but you are.
So guys, ang galing no, this is deflection 101. Kung sinong nasa hot seat, bigla ilipat niya dun sa isa.
Well, I don't even know I'm in the hot seat because, you know, you can ask me
Amazing.
anything and I can just admit to it or not. Ikaw, hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan. Ayaw mo nang ayaw mo na at all
kasi
ilagay
nga,
sa conversation.
pinag-uusapan pa lang natin yung iyo, binibigay mo na agad sa akin. Pag-usapan, bigyan mo naman ako ng mga 10 minutes sa pag-usapan yung iyo bago mo ibigay sa akin.
Yun naman pala yung gusto niya.
Take turns.
May kailangan, may screen time. Okay, sige.
So, welcome to He Said, She Said. Okay?
Okay, sasagutin namin yung mga pinadala niyong tanong.
Sasagutin namin ng pabalang. So, sagutin namin yan, ng mga pinadala niyong questions. Okay, eto na. If nasa dating stage kayo, is it really necessary to be transparent? What if you just want to test the waters if you really like the person? Ask Liza. No! Kasi, mas madalas siyang, mas mad-date siya eh. Ako talaga, alam ko, like, when I go out with someone, lagi akong, okay, I might see a future with this one. Siya yung talaga masasabi kong, let's test the waters. Mas ganun ka. O kaya nga, ask Liza.
Well, grabe. Di ko pa ganun na-share, parang di ko na alam kung ano i-share ko. I'm really just the type of person na I show you openly kung ano na-feel ko. Kahit na hindi pa ako ready for a relationship, I'm just very expressive. Kasi di naman lahat ng ganung klaseng expression of love, it has to lead to a relationship. You can just really enjoy each other. You can just really be together and, di ba, kaya nga may tinatawag na situationship kasi hindi lang naman ikaw yung ready, hindi lang naman din yung isa yung ready. Pareho kayong hindi ready or pwedeng hindi pa kayo sabay. But as long as you are transparent. Oh, transparent naman ako sa'yo nun Sabi ko sa'yo, look.
Hindi,
going out with
excuse me. Can I just say something? Hindi ka transparent nun sa akin.
Uy, 12 years na tayo.
Hindi ka transparent nun, ha?
Oh,
Okay?
bakit?
O, di ba? Magsasabi ka ng mga pa-declare mong churut dyan. O, tapos, may kita. Pucha, may picture ka. Oh, I'm with my friend, we're going to Big Bear. Pucha, na yung pala yung dinedate niya ron sa US. Anong klaseng transparency yun?
Okay, wait lang. Sabi sa breadcrumbing, without intending to commit, I had plans of committing with you. Pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas.
Nang magrason to, nakakairita.
Siyempre, nung nandun pa ako, inaayos ko pa yung gusot doon.
Huwag ka rin plastic, ha? Kaya nakipaghiwalay sa'yo yun dahil nahuli ka. Balak mo. At tumawag ka pa sa akin para sabihin ko.
I wanted a clean break, okay? Ayoko saktan yung heart niya.
Tumawag siya sa akin, ha? Oh, sabi ko, why are you crying? So, remember that guy na nasama mo sa picture? Yeah, that's the guy I was seeing here. And he found out about us.
Oh, I was transparent.
Putay na. Kung di ka pa hiniwalayan.
Uy, sinabi ko, I could afford to not tell you. That guy I had a problem with that guy.
Oh, thank you.
Pero nilapitan kita, okay, ganito yung plano ko nun, guys. So, ang plano ko nun, things weren't really, alam kong uuwi na ako ng Pilipinas. So, I wanted a clean break. So, ayokong saktan yung heart niya. Tapos, alam ko namang magko-commit ako dito. So,
Tigilan mo ako! Oh my God! Tigilan mo ako! Alam mo, magko-commit ka sa akin! Oh my God!
and even yung commitment na yon dito, hindi pa naman talaga ako din sure kung magpapakasal kami or what. Pero, alam kong I want to be with you.
Nung lalaki yung mata mo, pati ilong mo, alam kong di totoo yung sinasabi mo. Oh, love, aminin mo na lang na breadcrumber ka. Okay, natural ba na nasa limbo stage ang feelings habang getting to know someone? I think so.
Yeah.
Kasi 'di ba, parang hirap na mag-all out ka kagad sa isang tao na depende. Ewan ko, feeling ko natural lang yan.
You know what? Parang nag-iisipan ko ngayon, like, am I a breadcrumber? Parang feeling ko, naging reaction siya sa matagal nang nangyayari sa akin. Na parang ako dati yung ganon. Laging ako yung parang I'm being led on, tapos biglang hindi naman pala. Tapos parang itong taong to hindi pa matawag or hindi pa makapag-assure na hindi pa ako mabigyan ng assurance na kami. And yet, how we are, the way we go, the way we treat each other, yung relationship, it seems like you're together. Pero yung pala, ano ko siya, parang, so okay lang naman pala yun, na-normalize siya sa akin. That, you know, you can actually afford to be safe and, you know, have the joy of being with someone. Pero, you don't really have to commit. Here I was, you know, being very reflective, and all I was asking for some empathy. Alam niyo siya, in denial siya na breadcrumber siya. Sinabi ko lang sa kanya kagabi, sabi ko, love, alam mo yung isang girl na kaibigan natin, na talagang kung ibida niya sa akin na, you know, this girl, grabe, she's so philosophical. Napaka-deep niya. Tapos, first year ng relationship namin, na-meet ko yun, nag-dinner kami kasama yung girl na yun. And the way they talk to each other, parang sila. The way they refer to each other, like,
But you assume
pero sa kanya,
that.
Wala lang yun. Pero
Yeah.
nung nag-dinner kami, at nakita talaga nitong girl na to na wala talaga chance kay Ice, hindi na kami kinausap. Hindi na siya kinausap. So, kasi, that girl was led on by you,
Sandali.
giving her hopes that you guys can actually be together,
Pag-usapan natin
and she's
yan.
just waiting for the right time.
Sige, pag-usapan natin yan. Wine is actually leading someone on versus, can't I be friends with a person who I
But
find...
it's not just
Sandali,
friendship.
Let me talk.
It's not just friendship. The way you gush about this girl.
No,
Tanga na lang yung magsabi na kaibigan lang yung tingin mo sa kanya.
well, that's the thing. Kaibigan lang. Unang-una, hindi ako attracted sa
Bakit
kanya.
tataas natin?
Di ba? Unang-una, hindi ako attracted sa kanya. Pangalawa, hindi ako attracted physically. Pangalawa, hindi ba pwede yun? Hindi ba
Hindi ka
sign of...
attracted, so porkat hindi ka attracted physically, hindi kayo pwede maging kayo?
Oo, kailangan attracted ako sa person. Di ba? Ano yun, may kipagkita ako sa'yo, nakapikta ko parati. Sorry, pero mababaw ako pagdating doon. Gusto ko attracted ako sa'yo. Alam mo yun? So, pero yun nga, kumbaga, hindi mo na ako attracted physically sa person. Gusto ko paano siya mag-isip. Gusto ko kung paano siya makipag-usap. The thing is, sige, yun na lang. Ano yung delineation yun? That fine line between...
Well, number one, hindi niya alam na hindi ka physically attracted sa kanya. Siguro feeling niya maganda siya.
Ay, hindi ko na problema yun. Pero hindi ko siya nililid on. Hindi ako nagbibigay ng mga sweet nothing sa mga ganyan-ganyan.
You were, oh my God, like...
O sana dumating tayo sa punot dulo ng topic na to,
Okay, yung first months na relationship namin, nung kinakwento niya tong babae to, sino ba tong babaeng to? Ba't para naman Diyos to kung mag-i-refer niya. Grabe talaga siya. Like, lahat ng mga books na binabasa ko, talaga naiintindihan niya. Like, we reconnect in like ways that talaga no one else
because
could.
it's true.
Sabi ko, who is this girl? And etong girl na to, kung mag-text din sa kanya, kala mo talaga sila. Parang, kung hindi mo talaga iisip, kung hindi ka secured sa relationship, kung hindi mo iniisip na talagang, you know, he's very devoted to me, I would think that he's really flirting with that girl. Pero siya, yan. Porket, okay, ito yon. Kung maang-maangan ka ba, ibig sabihin, excuse ka na ba nun as breadcrumber?
Unang-una,
feeling in denial ka dyan
anong kaibahan? Yun ang importante nating malagyan ng delineation Kasi iba yung talagang, iti-text ko nga to. Gaya nung may friend ako na nagte-text sa akin dati na sumusumpa akong mahal kita. Pero, di ba, meron talagang active participation na, sabi ko mahal kita, ganyan-ganyan. Pero may kipagkita ako.
Hindi ganyan na, huwag mo i-judge yung, you're putting words in my mouth.
You're putting words into my mouth also. Sana makarating.
I think next question, when can you
sakto.
consider flirting with someone harmless and when does it become manipulative? Sagutin mo yan.
Sagutin ko. Sige, napakasimple. Unang-una, nagiging manipulative ang isang flirting kapag kagaya niyan, may sumusumpa. Alam mong type ka nung ka-text mo. 'Di ba? binibigyan ka ng oras yung ka-text mo. Tapos bigla may mga sasabihin kang mga, sana makita ko talaga yung text. Naka-all caps pa, guys! Na mahal kita.
I meant it.
Oh.
I really meant it.
So yun, ibig ko sabihin, hindi siya manipulative, pero of course, pag sinend mo yun sa isang tao,
Okay, alam ko sa utak ko magiging tayo sa May.
timang naging tayo ng March! Naging tayo ng March!
Naudlot. Kasi nga nalaman na niya. Pero naka-schedule yun, okay? Okay, babalik ako ng March or April.
So guys, may
magiging
pa-poll po kami. Sinong guilty? Si Ice o si Liza? Please vote now.
Guys, I'm not guilty kasi inaamin ko nga yung ano ko plano.
Talaga? Ang plastic mo. Nakakainis ka. Okay, before po kami mag-away, let's play a game. Welcome to Shit Happens.
Okay. Maglalaro
Ba't ang
na
lamig
naman
ng
kami.
kamay mo?
Maglalaro naman kami ng walang kamatayang never have I ever.
Never have I ever flirted with someone knowing I wasn't ready for a relationship.
We flirt all the time. I think that's very human.
O, ba't binaba mo? Bakit paano mo nagagawa niyan?
Jesus. E di ganun na lang.
Kasi naman ba't? Paano?
E di ganun na lang, ganun.
Anyway.
Oo. Ibaba mo.
Ayun yung binaba ko.
Parang may dragon.
Manok.
Okay. Now, never. Never have I ever led someone on because I like the attention. Lead someone on? Pero kasi nga, okay.
Huwag mo ibalik yan. Alam ko, huwag mo ibalik yan.
Bakit? Explain mo. Ba't alam mo yung nangyayari sa buhay ko?
Oo, kunento mo sa akin lahat.
Ano?
Talaga? Sabihin ko sa kanila lahat?
Alin doon?
Marami. Never have I ever dated someone just because it was convenient. I never. Ibaba mo na. Ito po, ibababa mo yan.
No, never.
Talaga?
Ako nga yung convenience eh.
Never have I ever ghosted someone. Ano? Okay. When you say ghost, like, talagang totally you left them in the dark. Hindi ka nag-explain. Never.
Umalis ka agad sa relationship nang walang explanation?
Hindi. Or never kayong...
Ako! I've been ghosted so many times.
nang-ghost ka rin eh. Karma.
Hoy, hindi ako nag-ghost ah.
Hindi mo ako ginost noon nung umalis ka sa UST?
Hindi kita ginost nun. Talaga nag-walk out ako from you.
Oh, nag-walk out. And then what? You ghosted me after.
Totoo ba?
Oo. Oo.
Nagkita pa tayo nun sa
Oo.
taping.
Pero sabihin, walang ni hi ni ho, walang mag-usap nga tayo, wala.
Hoy, binalikan kita. Ayaw mo na.
After ilang years. Teka, ang score ko. Hindi ako nag-ghost eh.
So, ako hindi mo ako nag-ghost.
Itaas mo yan. Ako nga ginost mo. Huwag kang plastic.
Okay, sige na. Never have I ever tested someone's patience on purpose. Okay, I did.
You do. Never have I ever flirted with multiple people at the same time. Never have I ever stayed in contact with someone even though I knew they weren't serious.
Yeah, I do that a lot of times. Because, okay, in my defense, I always feel like, if they get to know me, they're gonna be serious about me. But it never happens. Yeah. Ikaw?
Baka kulang na yung tanong sa kamay mo, ha? Never have I ever confronted someone about their mixed signals. Parang nag-confront naman ako.
Yes. Hindi, may tawag dyan eh.
Confrontation.
Hindi, it's called the talk. Yung parang, where are we? Ano na ba tayo? Yun. Ano na ba tayo? O, di ba? Labas tayo, labas. Nagsisex na nga tayo eh. Tapos di pa rin tayo. O, ano ba? O, yun. Maraming ganon.
Bakit?
Ikaw, nangyari sa'yo yun?
Parang nagtanong ako, ano ba talaga? Parang gano'n.
Pero have you ever been with someone na hindi naging kayo?
Oo, yung kabit ako.
Oh, iba yun. Iba yun. Alam mo yun eh. Pero yung you're just going out,
Ay,
tapos
wala. Hindi nga ako ganun. Hindi ako ganun mag-operate. Ayoko nagsasayang ng oras. So gusto ko, kung lalabas tayo, kung feeling ko type kita, type mo ako, maging tayo. Tapos tingnan natin kung hanggang sa dulo tayo. Ayoko, hindi ako yung tipong, hindi ako for the meantime na tao. Obviously.
Ha? Never have I ever felt used for attention or ego boost.
Di naman siguro.
Ikaw? Ikaw mas pwedeng may tendency na gagamitin ka for that.
Pero hindi ko na-feel. Eh sabi, never have I felt. O baka oblivious lang ako.
Ewan ko.
Pero alam mo, ginagamit kita, di ba? Eh. Never...
Go.
Never have I ever realized I was giving more love than I was getting and it broke me a little.
Ay, all the time.
Never have I ever was giving more love than I was getting.
I feel like I was giving more love than I was getting and it breaks me.
Ako hindi ako na-break.
I really came from a place where like, almost, the guys, ewan ko, hindi ko alam kung problema ko siya or talagang, yun lang talaga yung kapalaran ko. Pero, the guys I fall in love with or the guys I really want to be with, parang, it always ends up that they cannot give their commitment to me. I don't know if I'm too much or...
No, because they're not meant for you.
May kasunod yun. You're meant for me. Yay! Okay.
Oh.
Oh, sige na, ikaw na panalo. Oh, ito yung prize mo.
Ba't pag nananalo ko, wala akong tuwalya. Tuwalya. Wala
Wala
akong
kang blanket.
pakumot. Hindi, ako, feeling ko, marami akong relationships na ako rin naman yung mas nagmahal. But when I found that out, hindi ako na-break. I didn't feel broken. Parang, okay, mas mahal kita. Okay lang sa simula yon. But if you are taking advantage of that, I won't feel broken. I will break it off.
Okay, alam mo yung parang choice na parang, mas mahal ka o mas mahal mo? Hindi, mas mahal ka o mas mahal mo, tama?
Mas gusto ko mas mahal ko eh.
Exactly. So, pag mas mahal mo, mas may tendency ka na you'll end up with a person na they can actually lead you on. Tapos, you're not gonna end up being together. Kasi mas gusto mo yung feeling na ikaw yung mas nagmamahal.
Oo, kasi alam ko, mas magbibigay ako pag mas mahal ko. And baka nga, pag mas mahal ako, more than mas mahal ko siya, baka mawirdohan pa ako. Na parang, ang clingy naman. Di ba may tendency nga akong ganun kapag hindi ko masyadong...
Oo.
So, ang nagkataon lang na, like with us, feeling ko pareho tayo.
Okay.
Na mas mahal natin isa't isa. Umuo ka naman!
Oo naman. Ano ka ba? But how do you know if someone is genuinely interested or if they're just giving you crumbs? Parang hirap nun.
No, I think it's easy to find out.
Kasi the intention naman is there to actually
Hindi,
be
kasi diba,
closer to the person.
no, feeling ko, it's easy to say na it's really just because they're giving crumbs or, contrary to really genuinely interested in you. Like, I think if this person is giving you crumbs, yung very surface level, yung mga, for lack of a better term, pag-lead on sa'yo.
Pero how do you call that breadcrumbing when you actually show affection, you express yourself in a way that the person likes?
Exactly. Siguro.
It's not
No,
intention.
okay.
It's not breadcrumbing.
No, I think it is breadcrumbing. If kunyari, di ba? As ikaw na nagsabi, as with any relationship, it requires reciprocity. Di ba? Kailangan reciprocal to. Di ba? So, kunyari, nagbibigay ako sa'yo ng mga pailan-ilang mga tinapay dyan. Pero, kapag ako yung may expect na tinapay from you, wala kang maibigay. Mumulang.
Pero yun nga, yung breadcrumbers nga, they will give you that. They will give that back. But the thing is, hanggang dun lang. Parang magpapaasa talaga sila, pero wala talaga silang balak. It's like, ang hirap kasi yung breadcrumbers mismo. There is an intent. There is an intent to make sure na I will do things na ma-attract ka sa akin, I will lead you on, but talagang intentional din na wala silang balak na magkaroon ng relationship with you. And they intend to do that not just with one person, but with another person and another person and another person. Yun yung ganon, yun yung breadcrumbers kasi it adds to their machismo, it adds to their parang lalaki lang na ano ko, pero may mga babae rin ganito Hindi ako breadcrumber!
Umuo lang naman ako.
Kasi ako, when I lead someone, and not even,
Boom! Dulas, baby!
hindi, I just realized na lang in the end na parang I question myself, like, did I just lead them on? Kasi in the end, biglang hindi ako naging attracted sa kanila. Pero that was all, parang ano siya, parang it was organic. Hindi siya yung parang, okay, I like this guy, and I'm going to go out with this guy, and I'm going to show this guy that I like him. And, you know, we're going to enjoy each other's company. I'm going to express my attraction to him in the way in the way that I feel it. But in the end, things don't work out. Tapos biglang sasabihin nitong guy sa akin na parang, oh, pero akala ko okay na tayo. Eh, biglang hindi ko naman pala nararamdaman talaga sa kanya yun. Hindi yun intentional eh. Kasi kung ano nararamdaman ko ngayon, iba yun bukas. I mean, di ba? Emotions are emotions. I feel it today. I feel so strongly about you. I wanna be with you. Parang ikaw. Tapos pwedeng bukas, hindi ganun yung nafe-feel mo about the person. So, hindi siya yung parang, I'm gonna lead this person on, tapos papa-inloving ko siya sa akin, tapos, pagtapos nun, iiwanan ko siya. Wala siyang ganun eh. When I decided to be with you, it was more like, let me see how it goes. You were an unfinished chapter in my life. I have never been in a same-sex relationship, and at that time, I thought you were a lesbian. So, bagong-bago siya lahat sa akin. So, nung nandun ako sa US, tapos nag-exchange tayo, I was just really enjoying it. And yes, I was going out with someone. Pero, sabi ko, okay, babalik na ako ng Pilipinas. I mean, I'm sharing this with you kasi parang sabihin niyo sa akin kung breadcrumbing ba yun or what. Kasi, so, I was with this someone, tapos, sinabi ko na dito sa taong to, even without being with you or choosing to be with you na, uy, hindi ko nga lang ikaw ginamit. Sabi ko sa kanya, uy, babalik na akong Pilipinas ha. Yun lang sinabi ko. Hindi ko sinabi na may other party. Pero bago pa lang ang lahat, February pa lang sinabi ko na, uy, I think it's better if we just...
So, sinabi mo yan bago ka niya nahuli?
Well, nabasa din yun. Hindi. Siguro dahil sabi ko sa kanya yung totoo.
Sige.
Hindi, sinabi ko sa kanya yung totoo. He tried to find out kung meron bang ibang reason. Tapos nalaman niya.
Hindi yan yung pagkakakwento mo sa akin. Hindi yan yung pagkakakwento mo sa akin.
Okay, nagpapaka-transparent ako dito kasi gusto ko ng advice.
So, hindi, feeling ko hindi ka breadcrumbing.
Oh.
Panadero ka. Ikaw yung nagmamasa ng tinapay.
Sabi ko naman!
Lisa Panadera! I love you!
Hindi ko na alam kung anong isasagot ko.
Alam mo yan, as in, like, I've just been observing you. It's so funny. Kapag, alam mo, parang she's trying to really find na talagang, ang dami na niya sinabi ko na gano'n.
I'm being honest. Honestly.
I'm being honest. Lyingly.
Hindi, pero yun nga, di ba? Hindi ko lang talaga sinabi sa kanya, there's someone else. Oo. Yun sinabi ko. Pero I was honest enough to tell him na, done.
Honest enough to tell him after nahuli ka niya. Okay, what are the subtle signs that someone might be breadcrumbing without you realizing it? Alam mo, hindi ko rin
Siya talaga ang breadcrumber without realizing it. Yun talaga. That's the worst part. Iba kasi yung ikaw, you're actually self-aware na, okay, itong mga binibigay kong mga motibo, baka akala, mukha talagang nalilid on ko na siya. There's a point that you're gonna stop yourself like, wait, baka too much na, baka umasa to sa hindi ko naman kayang ibigay. iba yon. Mas maganda pa na ganun ka kaysa ito, express ng express. Oh my God, she's like, we're so in sync. You feel like you feel that way for that person. You're leading that person on without you being aware of
Okay.
it. Oh. Sumagot ka doon.
Ako, and I will
Oh,
stand
kita
by.
mo, di ba pinaka-worse yun?
Ako, sinabi ko pala, ako pala.
Hindi siya self-aware. At ide-deny niya to the very end na paasa siya sa ibang babae.
Sinasabi ko lang, di ba? If we are talking about breadcrumbing na tipo intentionally, kagaya na sabi mo, yun yung point mo kanina, di ba? Intentional na ginagawa ko to for machismo. No, I was there. I am like that with friends. So,
Hindi friend yun. Oh, may isa pa. May
Oh.
isa pa. Oh, pinag-awayan natin yun. I love you. I miss you, baby.
ganun ako sa best friend ko. Ganun ako sa mga kaibigan ko.
Best friend?
Oo, si Maymay, I say that. I got in trouble because of that before. Not with you, with someone else. I say I love you to my friends.
But, you were leading this person on.
See, that's the thing. I wasn't leading the person on. Unang-una, may asawa ko. That is how I express.
What's stopping people porket may asawa sila to
Well,
flirt with other people?
Well, that's them. That's not me.
Well, you did it.
Well, but the thing is, I wasn't flirting. I was just merely texting and
Saying, I miss you and I love you.
hindi kasi well, all the while, cause I am like that. I really am like that.
Hi, yun. So, yung pinakamahirap, guys. Kung in denial yung partner mo. Okay, there was a time talaga na may mga ginagawa siya na in the last 10 years, 10 years pa lang nun in the last 10 years of our relationship, hindi niya at all ginagawa. Hindi mo ito mapapabangon. Pero,
Masyado magiging obvious naman.
Kaya
Kapag
nga.
kwento
Kaya
mo
nga.
buong storya, di ba? Oo. Di ba? Oo. So, ingatan lang natin. Okay.
Wow! Wow! Ikaw pa yung ganyan?
Talaga?
I love you.
So, hindi, ganito na lang. So, ganito na lang. Pareho kami hindi malinis. Pareho kami ni Lisang naglandi. Oh, yun. Okay ka na ba doon?
Hindi. Siguro, ang pinaka-importante dito sa pinag-uusapan natin ngayon is awareness.
Okay.
Na yung awareness natin that sometimes, because we are carried away by our emotions, we submit to the feelings that we feel.
Pero can I say something about that? Like yun, kunyari, I am texting someone. Alam mo yung, it's like, oh, I miss you, love you. Hindi siya yung tipo, oh my God, love you. Hindi siya ganun eh. So,
In your perspective nga.
Ayun
Pero
nga,
syempre
pero
yung
hindi-
receiver nun, iba yung
but
ano
that's
nila.
the thing, I cannot control what they are receiving. I cannot control how they receive things as much as they cannot control how I will receive their whatever texts. Like siguro, if I feel at that point na, oh, like ikaw, yung na-feel ko sa'yo nun, na para, uy,
Lagi mo yung break up.
diba? Hindi.
Okay, sige.
Sige, dali, bakit patapusin mo ako? Habang magsalita ako, magsalita mo naman ako. Ice and Lisa to, hindi lang Lisa. Diba? Parang, yung na-feel ko sa'yo nun, pwedeng hindi yun yung intention mo, but that's what I got from it. Right? So, iba yung pagka-receive ko na, I really felt like ganito, ganyan.
Okay.
So, it was like a wonder to me when I found out na, when you called me crying, and then apparently you were seeing someone while you're saying all these things to me.
Yes.
So yun. So, ibig ko sabihin
But
is...
that's not breadcrumbing.
So you
Because
can't...
I intend to actually act on the feelings, on the...
Kailan sa March?
But there was an intention.
But that's the thing.
Kasi di ba nakalagay doon, without intending to commit.
Oh, so
I intended to commit.
ako nga, hindi mo ako masasabing nag-breadcrumb ako. Si unang-una,
Ikaw wala ka talagang intention to commit.
it's not even that. The way I say things, if I tell my friends I love them, if I tell my friends I miss them, 'di ba? If I gush about a friend na parang
Pero iba nga kasi yung the way, okay, why did I single out this specific person out of all the friends of yours whom I met? Because it was very different the way you treated her. It was very different the way you texted her. It was very different the way you talk about her. It was very different in so many aspects that I cannot help but single out this one person among all of the friends that you have. So ikaw, hindi mo nga nare-realize you're leading that person on because you're giving this person extra attention and she knows it. She knows it, she feels it, she embraces that, she enjoys that. That she even, feeling ko, that whole event, that when we had that dinner, happened to see, nasa na ba yung relationship nitong ni Ice at ni Liza para makita ko kung may pag-asa ba ako or wala. I mean, this is like straightforward telling you that that's exactly what happened. So, we had that dinner, she sees how in love we are, and she sees that, wow, etong taong sinasabi to sa akin, may sinasabihan na rin siyang iba, and iba yung the way, maybe, I don't know, or maybe because I'm also creating that parang subtly.
Binabakuran mo ako.
Oo, talaga. I was
Pogi
really telling her. I was
Gorget!
telling her that, you know, we are together, blah, 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 by still being nice. Hindi mo alam. So, ang point ko is, at least ako, aware ako kung may tendency ako na parang, okay, I might be leading this person on already because I'm just very expressive with my love. Ano ako very expressive ako, very open ako eh. Pero open din ako to tell you that I'm not in for a relationship. So, hindi siya breadcrumbing eh. Ang breadcrumbing is talagang may intention ka na papaasahin kita tapos iiwanan kita
So
bigla.
tayo sige, hindi tayo ganun pareho. Hindi kasi iniisip ko like yun, di ba? Si nanay, love you na, I miss you so much. I say
Grabe
that.
mga comparison mo.
Hindi, pero hindi siya, hindi. Sandali hindi siya grabe yung comparison because she is my friend. The way I treat these other friends. So, I am like that to my friends. So, ngayon, ang punto ko lang is, ganun ako sa mga kaibigan ko. Ngayon, kung nafe-feel nitong kaibigan na to na may special something, hindi ko kasalanan yun kasi ganun ako sa lahat.
Hindi ka ganun sa lahat. Sinasabi ko sa'yo na there's this one person. I will not single that person out if that person it's not, parang you don't treat them don't treat her any differently. But you did. But you did. Yun nga, pinaka-worst pa nga, yun nga, is the fact that you're totally unaware of it. And you feel like wala lang. And then maybe this, because you thinking that paying extra attention, giving this person, you know, these kinds of like, you are so amazing, we really connect in so many ways, blah, blah, blah. Saying all of that will not, parang feeling mo, basta hindi ko sinasabi sa'yo na gusto kita. Wala kang karapatang interpret mo yan kung
Siguro,
kung
alam ko na
kahit
problema
ano,
ko.
Oh.
Napaka-literal kong tao.
Oh.
Literal ako eh. So, pag sinabi ko sa'yo, ang amazing mo, talaga, ang amazing mo. Hindi sa'yo, you're amazing. Gets mo? So, dapat, sa mga friends ko, pag sa'yo ko, I love you, ganyan, I love you, pero hindi dahil type kita. Pero pag sa'yo ko, alam mo, type kita. Iba yun.
Siguro there's a factor na parang, wow, it's amplified kasi nabigyan sila ng attention din ng isang Ice Higuera. Yung malaking bagay sa kanila yun na there's this larger than, na-amplify yung attention na yun kasi, syempre, you're a celebrity. And may ganun ding feeling na, wow, out of all the mga taong humahanga sa kanya, parang she feels that way or he feels that way about it. I'm just saying, okay?
Ang lamig ng kamay mo.
Hindi, I'm just saying, kasi nga, in our 12 years, I have never,
years na tayo.
in our 13 years of relationship, I have never been jealous. Hindi talaga ako maselosa, except for those people na feeling ko, iba. So, alam kong iba yung kutob ko kasi meron siyang truth. Ibang instinct ng babae pagdating dyan. And those two occasions, sinasabi ko sa'yo, yung dalawang taong yon at some point, nagkaroon talaga sila ng attraction talaga sa'yo na parang umasa sila at some point.
Ekis.
Siya lang yung hindi maka-accept na gano'n.
Hindi, siguro kasi, wala akong ganun sa kanila. So, yun ang sinasabi ko.
Oo nga, so parang ano ba yun? So parang you're
Siguro ang
fully
gusto-
aware that wala akong ganun sa kanila yung, well, ako, ginagawa ko to, I will make them feel special,
No,
pero
kasi-
hindi ako magko-commit.
No. I mean, wala akong ganun sa kanila. So, hindi ganun yung pagtingin ko. So, parang siguro, ayun nga, I'm a very literal person. Na, siguro, parang, when I get messages back, na parang, hindi siya yung parang, I don't see
Okay, so you're
malice.
saying that you did not give special attention to this person?
I don't really see it as special. Hindi siya special. I mean,
You're totally in denial.
no, kasi I know if I give special attention, I know. So, ewan ko.
Do you think people breadcrumb because they're scared of commitment or just enjoy the attention? I think it's the latter.
Yeah,
because
feeling ko attention
they
din.
enjoy the attention. Kasi if you're scared of commitment, when you're breadcrumbing, it's gusto mong manigurado that this person can give you the same commitment you want to give, 'di ba? When you're scared of a commitment, sige, tignan ko muna, paramdam muna ako para kung okay ba kami. Once na feel ko naramdaman niya na ako, sabay kami, 'di ba? Pero yung just because you enjoy the attention, and I feel like yun sa'yo. Like
no,
you
hindi
really, you enjoy the attention because you are seen in a different way. You're not just seen as a singer, you're seen as in a totally different perspective. Like as a person who's like, the philosophical side of you was the one being admired. Yung a lot of you don't know kung gaano alam niyo naman kung gaano kabibo at katalino si Ice. Pero yung sobrang pagkalalim niya as a person, as a human being, yung mga binabasa niya mga libro, how introspective he is about things. Like that's a quality that I love about Ice, and we enjoy that. We enjoy talking to each other when we enjoy those kinds of conversations.
So anyway, how do you set boundaries with someone who's giving you small attention but no real effort? Kung ano binigay sa'yo, dun yung ibigay mo. Diba?
Giving you small attention. How do you set boundaries with who's giving you small attention but no real effort? Depende sa nararamdaman mo dun sa tao. Kasi, kung ikaw, gusto mo yung taong yon, yung pinakamaliit na attention na binibigyan niya sa'yo, pinapalaki mo yon. Kasi you want to enjoy the feeling or you want to convince yourself that this person also likes you. Kasi it justifies your reason to like him back or to show affection. Kung hindi mo naman type yung tao, tapos binibigyan ka ng maliit na attention, wala kang pakialam dun, di ba? You set the boundaries right away. Hey, friends lang tayo di ba? Friend zone sila agad. But if you like the person, no matter how small the attention this person gives you, you amplify it because it really you encourage yourself na, kita
Parang
mo,
anything
nag-text sa akin na good morning. Nag-text ng good morning. Sa'yo malaking bagay na yon, pero siya, katulad mo, tinetext lang lahat ng mga tao ng good morning, for example. Pero siya, may gusto siya sa'yo, tapos nag-set ng good morning, good morning, naisip niya ako ngayong umaga. Ako ang una niyang naisip. Oh my God!
Yung pala, pang-5 na siya na the next one.
Yes, di ba? So, depende siya sa tao.
Hindi, pero yun nga.
Nakaka-receive.
Pero yun nga, paano ka nga ang tanong is, paano ka magsaset ng boundaries?
Well, you will not set boundaries. You will actually, parang, depende sa intention mo. If your goal, if you know already this person doesn't really like you, pero your goal is to make him like you, edi gagawa ka ng paraan para yung good morning na yun lumaki. Like good morning.
Like manunumpa?
Hindi. Pwede hindi mo siya text ng good morning, tapos i-text mo siya sa hapon, good afternoon. Ganon. Yun ang ways. Kung hindi mo siya inisip sa umaga, pero inisip kita sa hapon. Ayun. So, yun yung exchange na yun, di ba? Yun yung, doon nangyayari, yung both of you guys are leaving breadcrumbs to each other. But hopefully, with the intention that those breadcrumbs will turn into a bread that you both can enjoy together. Pero hindi yung breadcrumbing lang na by after. Diba?
So, how can you apologize? Yung guest ko pala si Lisa, guys. So how can you apologize or correct things if you realize you've been breadcrumbing someone?
Oh, sagutin mo yan.
Kung I'm business.
Halimbawa, mirror. Ako yung girl na yon. Halimbawa, ako yung girl na yon. Oh, game, role play. Camera. I thought we had something.
Eh,
Ganyan mo talaga sasabihan yung girl? Napaka-insensitive mong tao, ha? Kung ako yung babae, bumubisit ako sa'yo. It's so unfair to her also.
ilang ako pag ginaganyan ako kasi nga wala akong nararamdaman.
Pagkatapos ng lahat ng pagpapakita mo sa kanyang siyang special, gashing-gashing ka.
Hindi nga ako kasi gashing-gashing.
Guys, nabasa ko yung mga message niya eh. At ako yung kinukwentuhan niya ng mga amazing in the wee hours of the morning.
Parang ganito lang
Talks
yon. Sino
nila.
paborito mo artista?
Ha?
Kunyari meron kang artistang favorite.
Oh, ngayon.
Hindi, kunyari, sino?
Oh, Meryl Streep.
Meryl Streep. Kunyari magkachikaan kayo ni Meryl Streep. Hindi ka mapaggagas siya. Oh my
Bakit?
God.
Idol mo siya?
Hindi ko siya... No, but... Para pag pupunta tayo ng specifics, masyado na obvious kung sino pinag-uusapan natin. Pero ibig ko sabihin... ibig ko sabihin, parang, yun, kumbaga, it's more of... Pag iniisip, sorry, yung reaction, ang blunt ko naman kasi talaga, napaka-curt ng mukha ko. Hindi lang yung words, pero yung mukha ko. So parang, pag sinabihan mo ko na, so ano ba talaga, parang pag di kita tayo, parang, ha? May ganun siya
Sige,
talaga.
ulitin natin. Okay. So, what about those times na we're exchanging these, like, I miss yous? Ha?
Wala yun.
Ano yun?
Wala.
So pinaasa mo lang ako?
Hindi kita papasa, hindi kita type.
So, yung mga I miss you mo, usap-usap tayo hanggang madaling
Bakit
araw, wala
kailangan
yun?
mo maging type kita para ma-miss kita? I miss you as a friend. I like talking to you as a friend. You inspire me as a friend. Oh.
So, wala man lang yung mga yung mga
Wala.
times na
Wala. Sorry, wala. Wala talaga.
So mean!
Wala kasi talaga. Siyempre siguro hindi naman ganun, pero wala talaga. Sorry.
Okay. Sa paasa ka.
Hindi ako paasa. Sabi ko ba sa kanila, uy, typin mo. Hindi. Hindi ako paasa.
Well, hindi mo naman kailangan sabihin yun, pinapakita mo sa akin.
Ba't parang tayo na yung nag-aaway?
No, sagutin mo yun. What if she tells you that?
So, can I not be friends with someone just
No,
because...
that's not friendship. Okay,
No,
friendship
but
is...
sorry, but that is friendship for me. When I'm friends with you, I tell you how I feel. I tell you if I miss you. I tell you that I enjoy spending time with you. But, sorry if that's your interpretation of that, but that's...
Okay. That's very, very, very harsh.
Anyway. But hindi talaga eh. I mean, kasi ako nga, ito yung sa akin if I like you, I cannot even begin to talk to you.
Pero hindi naman alam yun ng taong
Hindi, yun nga.
pinag-e-expressan mo ng atensyon. At
Like, ganito yun. If may type ako kunyari wala ako sa buhay ko diba? Kaya, if may type ako sa isang tao, hindi ko sila muna kakausapin. That's why,
pero style yun eh. Nakuha niya yun kay Vic Soto. Diba?
it works. Diba, that's the thing, diba?
Lalapitan.
Kasi diba, yun nga eh, if ang tingin mo sa isang tao ay more than a friend, hindi ka doon ka magsa-style. Pero itong mga to, hindi. Nakipagtsikahan
Kasi
ako.
sabi niya, siya ang nilalapitan. Just to explain that.
Excuse me, totoo naman eh. Tanong mo sila lahat. Sorry, kontakin mo.
O sige na, naniniwala na ako.
Anyway.
Okay.
Pero yun nga, yun ang gusto kong sabihin din sa'yo. Pag hindi ko kayang kausapin tong tao na to, that means yun yung parang, I cannot. Kasi nga, if may gusto ko sa tao, medyo natatangtay ako. Di ba naalala mo yun, nung nag-play pretend tayo sa bilyaran? Kasi never pa ako naka-hook up ng girl sa bar talaga.
Claim to fame niya yun, never siya lumapit sa babae.
Hindi talaga. So, hindi kasi,
Siya ang nilalapitan.
hindi kasi takot din ako. Bilang kilala ko, parang, alam mo yun, I was protecting myself also. But, yun nga, na parang, at magjowa na kami ni Liza noon So, sabi ko, love, tara, mag-roleplay tayo sa bilyaran kami. Kunyari, type kita, ako yun. Tapos, lalapitan kita, tapos pipick upin kita sa bar. Hindi ako nakapagsalita, aminin mo. Hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. Like, I'm super awkward when I like someone. So, when I like you, when I'm super close and, very open, tell you I love you, I miss you, that means we are friends. That means it can't go beyond that because I'm very comfortable with you.
Pero yun nga, hindi naman
wala nang katapusan to, mga 3 hours to.
Hindi alam nung tao yun.
Kaya nga pinapublicize ko na sa YouTube tsaka sa Spotify. Guys Tsaka hello, may asawa na ako. So, anyway.
Well, that too. That's number one, of course. We're talking about, experiences in the past.
Hindi, so yun nga. So, siguro sa mga nasa past na, na pag ganun ako, I'm very sorry if I'm just really like that. I just don't like you the way you probably thought na I did. But I'm just really like that with my friends. I'm very touchy. I'm very,
And historically, basta gusto mo, you go for it. Yun naman yun.
Hindi. Pag gusto ko nga, hindi ko masabi.
Hindi, paano yung halimbawa, yung mga relationships mo na, nasa relationship ka, may relationship ka na naman, sabay.
Pag type ko, nauuna muna sila. Nauuna sila! Promise! Promise, nauuna sila. Tapos kapag type ko, tsaka ako maglalandi.
Even while you're in a relationship?
Yeah.
Pero yun nga. So, dun sa mga naging relationship mo, you went for, kumbaga,
I will never make the first move.
But you give, nire-reciprocate mo.
At saka obvious talaga ako. Talaga, hey, ano mo yun?
Paano nga sa mga iba, nakala feeling nila obvious yun?
May part 2 ba to? Yes. Well, honestly, ngayon wala na-encounter talaga tong word na breadcrumbing.
Oo.
And, siguro iniisip ko, like, how I was when I was younger.
Ako feeling ko yung breadcrumbing, term siya sa mga tao na naka-experience na pinaasa sila, pero pinakitaan sila ng, sandamakmak na mga reasons for them to feel the way they feel. I think the breadcrumbing mismo, to really define a person, it has to be a person that specifically just makes you feel good about yourself, pays attention to you, tapos talagang walang balak. Yun talaga yun.
Intentionally.
Everything in between that space.
I think the operative word there is intentionally. I think yun. Kasi talagang, yun nga, di ba? Like my issue, my case, di ba? Like, it's
hindi
just...
mo naman siya
Hindi ko siya
intentionally ginagawa.
Yeah, kumbaga hindi ko intentionally pinapa-lead on, hindi ako nag-lead on. It's just that's how I am as a person. Kumbaga, how they received it, siguro, it was probably different from what I thought how they'd receive it.
Pero at the time, wala ka at all thoughts na parang, maybe I can be with this person because I connect with this person in ways that are so
kahit
deep.
malalim ako, may pagka-superficial pa rin ako. I really have to be attracted to the person physically. Ba rin nga, kumbaga, parang dapat siya 50-50 sa akin. Na 50% physical attraction, the other 50% is utak. Ugali.
Like ako, when I go out naman...
Kaya kasi 100% eh.
Oo naman.
Yes! I love the confidence.
Ako naman, dun sa mga experiences ko, baliktad siya. It's more like, I might as well go for it, even if I'm not sure I'm gonna end up with this person. Because for the most part, I always end up na wala talagang label yung relationship namin. But why am I gonna stop myself from enjoying this person's company? Ganon ako. So, yes, it may look like parang I'm leading the person on, but no, I'm just enjoying my experience with you. Now, kung ayaw mo talaga sa akin, then, okay, di wala. At least I enjoyed your company. Kesa naman yung dati feeling ko, biktima ako. Kasi dati yung feeling ko parang, pagkatapos ibigay ko ang lahat, pagkatapos tayong lumabas, pagkatapos ibigay mo sa akin yung ganitong attention, tapos hindi pala pwede maging tayo. Ang pangit ng feeling na parang ikaw yung victim, parang ikaw yung nagamit, ikaw yung ano. So no, I'm gonna turn things around. You don't like me, you're not sure if you wanna be with me, but I like you. So let's go out, see if it works, you know? But let's be clear with each other. If you wanna get into my pants, then let's just go for it. Pero kung gusto mo ng relationship, sasabihin ko sa'yo kung ready ako or hindi. So naging ganun yung approach ko sa relationship. Now, if those guys that I went out with felt like I led them on because after going out with them and making them feel that we could be together, it's a two-way thing eh. Diba? Paano kung ikaw kaya mo sabihin sa isang babae, hindi ka ready. Babae, hindi kaya sabihin sa'yo, hindi siya ready.
Oo naman.
Diba?
Dapat
So,
fair.
pero I have never, ever, intentionally, like, lead someone on and saying, papaasahin lang kita, tas iiwan. Hindi kita. No, because for me, I'm still a hopeless romantic.
Yeah,
At
same.
the end of the day, I want to be in a relationship that will make me happy, a relationship that will make me feel secured, a relationship that will make me feel na I'm valued. So, yun.
Yeah, I think we're the same.
Yeah.
Buti na lang pareho tayo ron, ano?
So for those, kasi I don't want this to stop people from expressing their yung mga the moves ninyo, di ba? Parang it shouldn't stop us from that's the joy of courting, that's the joy of going
Dating,
out,
yeah.
of dating. It's really like talagang pasik-laban kayo kung sino yung magbibigay sino yung makakapagpa-feel sa iyo ng love, 'di ba? So kasi kung i-assign nyo agad yung word na breadcrumbing, parang unfair siya. Because, I think select people lang yung ganyan. Yung I will intentionally, collect girls or collect guys without any intention of committing to them.
I think yun. I think that's what really breadcrumbing is. It's really on the intention. Yun nga, yung parang doing these things, keeping people at bay, because you feel good about yourself na, dami kong andyan lang sila.
And hindi, even keeping people at bay. Like, I remember, there was a time na parang, may mga harmless ka-text ka. Di ba? Yung mga tipong,
Ba't ginagano mo?
alam mo na hindi napunta lang din yung attention. Ano ka ba? Uy, grabe, huwag ka mag-plant ng issue dito, ha?
Hindi kasi napagano ka eh. Tas andyan jowa, Dave. Kita mo, mamaya lumipat sila.
Guys, siya yung naglalagay ng meaning. Yun, yung parang, ano na ba yung sinasabi ko?
May ka-text ka, harmless.
Oo, di ba? Meron tayong mga ganon, yung mga ka-text, may mga eye candy tayo pag lumalabas tayo sa gabi. Meron tayong fina-fancy na tao, tapos wala lang. Alam mo naman na parang pakit lang yun. You just wanna feel desired, you just wanna feel that, desirable ka pa rin, attractive ka pa rin. Pero it means nothing. So is that breadcrumbing? I don't think so.
No, I don't think so. That's different.
That's flirting.
Yeah, that's flirting. So whether you've been on the receiving end of or you maybe realize na you're giving breadcrumbs to yourself, I think at the end of the day, the most important thing is honesty, diba? With yourself and with others.
Yes. So, important yung awareness. Kasi minsan, how can you be honest with yourself and hindi mo nga alam na parang, or you're not even aware that you're actually doing it.
Yeah.
And wala naman sigurong masama if you are just really testing the waters as long as you're aware and responsible.
So sa mga talk sheeters natin, I think it's time to reflect on your own dating habits. Buti na lang wala na ako dyan. Set those boundaries and don't be afraid to call out mixed signals.
Because love should lift you up and not leave you hanging.
So thank you so much guys for joining us. Our guest, Liza Dino, thank you very much.
And our guest, Ice Guerra.
Maraming salamat. Mas madaldal tayo pag tayong dalawa lang. Pansin mo? Parang pag tayong dalawa lang, nag-exit tayo.
Nagde-debate tayo.
So, salamat, Talk Sheeters. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Our podcast is also available on Spotify, so make sure to follow us there, leave a comment or message kung may gusto kayong mga topic na gusto nyong pag-usapan namin dito sa aming mga episodes.
This is Talk Sheets with Ice and
Liza!
where we strip down and bare it all
Under
under the
the covers.
covers. So, don't hold back.
Just
Just
talk
talk
sheets.
sheets. Kebab!